Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Are you still manually replying to your followers one by one? It's time to work smarter now with an AI chatbot. In this video, I will show you how to set up an automatic reply for direct messages on TikTok. Let's go. If you're looking for the best tool to engage with your customers, qualify leads, and boost sales more effectively with automated conversations, I've found the perfect solution. I have personally tested it, and it's incredibly effective. This program lets you automate responses to your TikTok account, saving you the hassle of manually replying to every comment or DM from followers. TikTok may be your primary focus for now, but this tool can also connect to other social media apps, including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Are you ready to try it? You can click my link below to unlock an exclusive offer to connect with 1,000 contacts for free. The first step is to connect your TikTok account with the online tool. Remember, this requires a business TikTok account. Creator or personal accounts aren't supported yet. You'll need to switch your account type before continuing if it isn't set correctly. Also, note that users located in the EU, USA, and UK currently can't connect their TikTok accounts. If you have already signed up before but skipped connecting your TikTok account, feel free to jump ahead to the timestamp where I explain how to connect it. Otherwise, here's what you need to do. From the homepage, click Get Started in the upper right corner and choose TikTok from the list of channels. You can easily sign up using your Google or Facebook account by following the provided prompts. After signing up, click the Open TikTok button and log in with your account to set up the necessary permissions required by the tool. Do you already have an account but haven't connected your Instagram yet? Head over to the My Profile configuration page. Click Manage Accounts. Hit Add New Account and select TikTok to start the connection process. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted to avoid any issues later on. This tool comes with ready-to-use templates, so you don't have to manually set up each automated response from scratch. To begin, go to the Automation tab from the left sidebar menu. Click New Automation and browse the list of available templates, such as directing followers to your website, growing your email list, redirecting leads, and more. Let's test this out with the first template, Direct Your TikTok Audience to a Website. Since the template has a default sequence, you just need to edit its elements to fit your specific needs. From the next screen, set the specific keywords or set of words that will trigger the automated responses. You can add as many keywords as you like. The template also provides a default opening DM. You can tailor it to your needs to boost engagement with your followers. Then paste your website link in the provided field. Although TikTok links aren't clickable, followers can easily copy and paste the URL text into their browser. Note that you can preview how the entire conversation will appear on TikTok in the upper right side toolbar. When everything is ready, click Set Live to integrate the automation into your linked TikTok account. Let's test this out and DM my TikTok account from another profile. To trigger the auto response, I'll use the keyword how in my message. Watch the automated sequence unfold exactly as it was set up earlier. The Auto DM template already provides the basic automated sequence you need. If you want to create your own from scratch, click Start from Scratch instead. From the top menu, rename the untitled automation for proper labeling. Next, select the trigger that will start your automation. This includes when a user sends you a message, clicks a link, or scans a QR code. The setup here is similar to using a template. Simply define the keywords and automated responses based on user interaction. Oh, you might encounter this same error, so please note that messages with buttons cannot exceed 40 characters. When everything is set up, click Set Live to implement the automation. Let's see it in action. Similar to the template setup results, the auto response was sent as expected, triggered by my chosen keyword. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.